table's pumping and moving his spine to get him ready, because when there's movement in the spine, it starts to charge the brain's batteries. Now, one of the positions you're going to see me put him in is right here like this. We're going to open this area up. There's some rotation in the lower back. We're going to stop the table. Want to come right here to about L3. Ooh. Power on, pressure off. Shows the nerve supply in his low back, but also his intestines. A lot of rotation right through here in his rib cage. Look over your left shoulder. Good. Want to adjust the feet. The feet are connected to the knee. All of this connects back to the spine and pelvis. I'm going to check his wrist. Want to make sure they're moving right. There's about 14 little bones in here. We want to make sure they're moving, gliding right, and that the neurology is talking to each other via the neck nerves. We're going to reinforce the arc of life in his neck. And at the same time, take his shoulders and bring them back. Things like this. He has rotation at the top of his neck. We're going to come across. Pull the rope.
Yes, sir. Nice angle right there. Wow. That's legit. Y'all gotta get in here.